Hey, I'm back with another recipe. So I made my sausage with rice and cucumbers, as you can see here. But this time I cooked some pork belly with it and I barbecued it. So what I did was the butcher cut up the pork belly for me and I just seasoned it with some pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper, and adobo seasoning. I put it in the oven for about an hour and a half. Actually, before that, let me go back. I seasoned it and then I made my barbecue sauce, tossed it all together, put it in the oven, and I used the oven bag, like a turkey bag. And so I left it in the oven on 320 for an hour and a half. Then I opened up the oven bag, put it on high broiler to let it brown. And once my sausage was finished cooking, I just mixed it all up together. I did make some ramen, but I'm not going to show it because my daughter said it looks like chicken noodle soup. But these are the sausages that I use: chicken, sweet onion, sweet bell peppers, onions and sweet bell peppers, Applegate's fire roasted red pepper sausage, and the beef smoked sausage. Those are the sausages I basically use every time I do the sausage with rice and cucumbers. So as y'all can see, that pork belly right there, it is so good. And just the way it caramelized with the barbecue sauce. I make my own secret barbecue sauce, but you can make yours however you want to. I use jasmine white rice, as you can see. Under there is the rice. I got my cucumber slices and some corn on the cob. So again, pork belly. You can have the butcher cut it up however you like. You can leave it in slabs, like thin slabs, have them cut it. I had him just cut it all up for me. And I just seasoned it up when I got home. Tossed it with my barbecue sauce, then put it in the oven on 320 for an hour and a half. If you cover it up with foil, after the hour and a half, take the foil off and put it on. I put it on roast, so I'm not sure if anybody has roast on their oven, but I do. So that's when I put it on roast on 320F for an hour and a half, and then I opened up the bag, mixed it up, put it on high broiler for about 10 minutes, took it out, mixed it up. Once my sausage was done, I mixed it all together. So this is it. Very easy. And you can also use pork belly for your ramen as well. I just topped everything over some white rice. So y'all give me that thumbs up on your way in. Leave me a comment what you think. Have you made pork belly before? How did it come out? What's your recipe? Peace.